One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the FX220 YouTube channel. This is Oussama, expert Forex trader and mentor, and I'm back at it again with a new killer trade and a killer lesson as well. In this video, I'm back at teaching math. So you all guys know I hate math, but we're back at it again. I've done this a couple of times before, and this is the newest one. So I'm gonna teach you an equation that if you master it, you're gonna make a shitload of money. Because to be completely honest with you, this is a very basic and simple and easy setup that I've been trading for many years now. Many of my followers already know that, so I'm sharing it with you again, guys. This time is an M formation, so I'm gonna be sharing it with you. I highly recommend you go and take this and apply it on your charts, and you will see how effective is it. So basically, our equation would consist of, you're gonna wait for the break of the consolidation range of the Asian session, which is this one, as you can see here, where Asian session is known to consolidate sometimes, and sometimes also it can be a trending session as all the other sessions like London and New York. This blue box right here represents the Asian session, this white one the London session, and the red one is New York session. So as you can see right here, this is kind of the Asian consolidation range, and what you got to expect after this range is a breakout, and this breakout mostly gonna be caused at the start of London session, and especially if there are news, you gotta expect a lot of false moves, a lot of spikes. Like you see here, spikes to the opposite direction, market goes up, breaks this range, comes back down. Look at it, this at one point of time, this was a very solid red candle. So some people will go short right here. Most of the traders will go short. We're saying, okay, this is the move, but market takes it up again, and this is a lot of false moves in here. But for us, we know this, we are experienced with this. We're gonna wait for all the false moves to end, for the market to let it do its things and form us a nice pattern formation that we trade. In this case, it was the M formation on our EMAs. Notice here, market came back up again, broke it again, and then boom, you see like one candle, one strong full candle confirming the directional move that this market is heading south, and that's where you should get in. So you won't try to get in any earlier, you won't try to get in at the top. We don't pick tops and bottoms right here. We only, because if you pick the top, market could just do anything else and go up, go back up again, and then you're gonna lose. So we only wait for the solid confirmation candle that, all right, this plane is taking off, and put on your seatbelts and enjoy the trip. That's where we get in. We get in right at where the move is happening. So you don't need to be 4 or 5 steps ahead of the market. You only need to be 1 step ahead of him, and this is our 1 step. We wait for this strong confirmation candle that confirms for us this is the direction move, and we are in. So my entry was right here after this big candle. Market went for 72 pips straight with 0 drawdown. Okay, so imagine you just do the math on how much you can make in this 72 pips move. So if you trade in this with let's say 5 standard lots only, this is gonna be a 70 pip move. This whole move could be $3,500 just for you, just for a few hours of work, and you're done. You're basically done for the week or the whole month if you want. What I'm just saying is that setup happens a lot of times across many currency pairs, and it's just such a waste if you do not take this opportunity and take full advantage of it, because as you can see, it's very simple and easy. I've explained it many times and I'm here explaining it again for you guys. Pretty simple and easy for the guys that like to be precise. That's why I call it math. This is our trading math because some guys just don't like to deal with uncertainty or something. So I'll make it special for you, make it precise and simple. You just wait for the break of the Asian consolidation range. That's gonna happen, especially if there is news. You will not take the trades early in London session because you are expecting them to be false moves. As you can see, these spikes to the opposite direction, false moves. You will only take the trade when market has completely finished doing its thing, and then boom, confirms for you the big direction right here going south. And that's where you get in. When you see one candle getting the hell out of all of these BS right here. So to be honest, I did not watch the trade after I took it. So when I took my entry, I was preparing myself to go to the park. I was meeting friends so we can go work out. And then this happened, so I missed taking the smash take a profit video that I post like all the time on Instagram. So this is something that we have here on our FX220 Nation, where we take video recording, like screen video recording of our smash take profit. So I missed taking it this time. My bad. So my next trade I will make sure to take it and not miss it. So basically just head out until I checked my phone and I found the TPO take profit was already hit. I was like, damn, I missed it. But I didn't miss the trade though, which is the most important thing. The thing that made me happy is that countless of my students have took the same exact trade, and we've been sharing it in the group and private messages. And some of them really took more than me. I took 37 pips right here. Some of them went for 40, 50 pips, which is amazing, which is like can be their weekly goal done in one trade, one simple trade like this. So highly guys, encourage you to take this seriously and learn how to do it. I've been trading this setup, this exact same setup for like many years, like, and it's been very successful since I've tried it. And this setup was simply following our criteria that we follow. We have many things that we look at. For example, we look at key levels. So we didn't have any key levels against our trade. For example, let's imagine we had like a key level right here, like a major, like say monthly level or weekly level. So you be careful taking a trade at this exact same candle, because market can just hit it and reverse from here. So this level could be an obstacle to your trade. But here I call this open waters. Because if you check this, the next level, the next monthly level would be here at 1.21400. So this is pretty far away from our trade, so the trade was safe. I also made sure that I traded after the news. So many news were here. We had like tens of news releases here, and this is why you see these false moves and spikes. So I made sure that I'm trading only after all the end of news releases. There are no key levels against our trade. I was checking, we got our strong confirmation candle. Check the correlation from the other pairs as well, so we get other confirmations from these pairs. Let's say we check Euro USD at that time. Around that time, Euro USD was here and was showing us red candles. Also was starting to fall, which is Euro USD positively correlated with Pound USD, which is good confirmation. USD CHF was trending up, and around that time AUD USD around that time was falling slowly, but it was weak. NZD USD as well. So a lot of confirmations from other pairs, which made this trade very high probability. Okay, alongside with the technicals, the fundamentals, the following our criteria, following the trend direction, we already know that the pound is in a big strong downtrend. From looking at this, check this out. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, which represents a downtrend. And this trade couldn't be more perfect than this. We took advantage of it simply just by following our rules. So that's it guys, I really hope you like these videos. If you liked it, make sure to put a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to post your questions in the comments section below, and I'll be answering each and every single one of them as usual. Okay, this is FX220, see you on the next one, peace out.